News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Pragya Devra and with me is Renu Kataria.
Today we will be discussing about some vacancies in National Capital Region Planning Board, JS&CAO, Department of Pharmaceuticals, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Rishikesh, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Composite Regional Center for Skill Development, Rehabilitation and Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, CRC, Shillong and Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Central Institute of Higher Tibetan Studies, Sarnath, Varanasi, National Water Development Agency, and National Council for Vocational Education and Training, New Delhi.
In continuation of National Capital Region Planning Board advertisement published in Employment News dated 5th to 11th October 2019 for various posts, the last date for submission of application for the post of law officer has been further extended up to 2nd November 2020 Monday. For further details, kindly visit board's website ncrpb.nic.in.
With reference to the Office of JS&CAO, Ministry of Defence Circular dated 11th December 2019, published in the Employment News dated 28th December 2019 to 3rd Jan 2020 regarding filling up of vacancy of supervisor on deputation, including short-term contract or absorption, it is informed that the last date for receipt of applications for one post of supervisor is further extended up to 15 days from the date of publication of this notice in the Employment News. Details, eligibility criteria, application proforma and other information is available on the official website www.caomod.gov.in. Applicants who have already applied need not reapply.
Department of Pharmaceuticals, Government of India intends to engage one consultant, non-technical, grade 1, 4 consultants, non-technical, grade 2, and 6 young professionals on contract basis. Detailed terms and conditions, qualifications and format are available on the department's website www.pharmaceuticals.gov.in. Interested candidates may email their duly filled applications in the prescribed format along with supporting documents up to 9th October 2020.
All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Rishikesh has reopened and invited online applications from eligible candidates to fill posts on direct recruitment basis of Assistant Engineer Civil, Assistant Engineer Electrical, Assistant Engineer AC&R, Junior Engineer Civil, Junior Engineer Electrical, Junior Engineer AC&R, Senior Mechanic AC&R and Mechanic AC&R against advertisement number 2019/003-010. For detailed description of qualification and other eligibility criteria, please visit the Institute website www.aiimsrishikesh.edu.in. Last date of submission of online application form is 17th October 2020, 23:59 hours. The candidates who had already successfully applied with applicable application fee earlier in response to these advertisements need not apply again.
Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is looking for medical professionals in the following disciplines for appointment in Hindustan Aeronautics Limited Medical and Health Unit, Bangalore. One post of Senior Medical Officer ENT, one post of Senior Medical Officer Pathology. Details regarding age, qualification, experience, relaxations and concessions, mode of applying, selection procedure, pay, allowance, etc. are available on the website www.hal-india.co.in. The last date for receipt of application is 20th October 2020. Corrigendum and addendum, if any, will be posted on Hindustan Aeronautics Limited website only.
Applications are invited from Indian nationals eligible for engagement to the following temporary consultant positions on contract basis at Composite Regional Center for Skill Development, Rehabilitation and Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, CRC, Shillong and Andaman and Nicobar Islands, established to serve as resource center in disability rehabilitation for all categories. 1 post at Andaman and Nicobar Islands and 1 post at Shillong for Assistant Professor, PMR Consultant. 1 post at Andaman and Nicobar Islands for Assistant Professor, Speech and Hearing Consultant. 1 post at Andaman and Nicobar Islands for the post of Assistant Professor, Special Education Consultant. 1 post at Andaman and Nicobar Islands and 1 post at Shillong for Lecturer, Physiotherapy Consultant. 1 post at Andaman and Nicobar Islands and 1 post at Shillong for Lecturer, Occupational Therapy Consultant. 1 post at Andaman and Nicobar Islands for Administrative Officer Consultant. 1 post at Shillong for Prosthetics and Orthotics Consultant. 2 posts at Shillong for Clinical Assistance Consultant. 1 post at Andaman and Nicobar Islands for Accountant Consultant. 1 post at Andaman and Nicobar Islands and 1 post at Shillong for Workshop Supervisor cum Storekeeper Consultant. Applications will be received up to 21 days of publication of this advertisement in the Employment News. For other details, terms and conditions, visit www.niepmd.tn.nic.in.
Central Institute of Higher Tibetan Studies, Sarnath, Varanasi, invites applications from eligible candidates for appointment to 1 post of Registrar on deputation or short-term contract. The eligibility criteria, application form and other details in respect of the post of Registrar can be downloaded from the Institute's website www.cihts.ac.in. Application forms should reach the concerned authority within 45 days from the date of advertisement in the Employment News.
With reference to vacancy circular published in Employment News dated 18th to 24th July 2020, the last date of receipt of applications for filling up 4 posts of Junior Accounts Officer in National Water Development Agency, an autonomous organization under Ministry of Jal Shakti on deputation basis, including short-term contract, is extended for a period of 30 days from the date of issue of this advertisement. The detailed vacancy circular is available on NWDA website www.nwda.gov.in. Those candidates who have applied earlier need not apply afresh. Applications are invited from eligible candidates for the following posts in National Council for Vocational Education and Training, New Delhi, a non-statutory regulatory authority under the administrative control of Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. 2 posts of Deputy Director or Under Secretary or Senior Research Officer, 1 post of Assistant Accounts Officer, 2 posts of Office Assistant, 1 post of Assistant Accounts, 3 posts of PA or PS. The details are available at www.msde.gov.in and in www.nsda.gov.in under link notices. Interested candidates may send their applications in the prescribed format to the concerned authority within 45 days from the date of publication in Employment News.
Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday.
With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.